Today I'm going to be reviewing my Tordair Multifunctional Steam Floor Mop and Washer. I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending this off so I could go ahead and review it. So today I'm going to actually be unboxing it. Then we're going to be testing it out. It does have a total of 13 different nozzles. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at a few of those. Let me go ahead and open this up. I'm going to go ahead and unbox it and show you exactly how you receive your steam mop. As you can see right at the top, you do get your instruction manual. So you do get your user manual. This is going to go ahead and walk you through, give you a little more information on your steam mop. So your steam mop does come in one solid box like this. Everything that you need is inside of this box. So let's go ahead and take a look at each item one by one. The first one I pulled out is actually the rotating mop head. So let me go ahead and show you that. So you can see this is the rotating mop head. It has two of them right here. And it has the little attachment right up here. Okay, these are the circular mop pads. You do get a total of 4 of these. The next one right here is your handle. So take a look. This is going to be your handle. Okay, so this is the main compartment. So here you do have a selection of items. As you can see right here is going to be your water tank. So this is going to be the water tank right here, right at the front. Now right here in the front side, you do get a few options. You have the motor button, you have the steam, and you have your on and off switch. So I'm going to go ahead and attach the motor mop head along with the main piece. And all you have to do is just make sure that you align these and you go ahead and insert it. So to attach it, you simply want to just press it in and you are ready to go. Next is your telescopic aluminum rod. So this is going to be the rod right here, and it is adjustable. This is a little notch, and you could go ahead and make it longer or shorter. Once you have it at the height that you'd like, you just go ahead and lock that into place. And this actually goes right here. As you can see it, you heard that little click and it's ready to go. When you're ready, you want to go ahead and attach your handle to the aluminum rod. And you just want to press it into place. So take a look. Now here we have your additional attachments. This one right here is your curved nozzle. This one right here is your big round brush. This one right here is your small round brush. This one right here is your crevice brush. This one right here is your window scraper. This one is a scraper head. This right here is your towel set. The direct nozzle. This right here is your measuring cup. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and add water to the measuring cup, and we're going to go ahead and put some water in our water tank. And then I'm going to go ahead and attach the mop heads to the bottom, and we're going to go ahead and take this spin mop for a spin, and we're going to actually test it out on my floors. So the installation for your mop heads is actually quite simple. You want to just go ahead and place these on the spin mop bottom. They do have like this softer material down here, and these do have like little notches. Once you place them on there, they will stick to the bottom. So just like that, you want to just simply press down on them and they are ready to go. Right, I went ahead and powered it on because I want to just show you those two in motion before we actually put them to work. And to turn these on, it's a simple press of the motor button. All right, so let's go ahead and attach the water tank, and then we're going to go ahead and test this one out. So to add water in your water tank, you do want to go ahead and lift this up. It's like a little silicone cap. I'm going to go ahead and lift that up. It has the hole up here. I went ahead and filled my measuring cup. So I want to go ahead and now start filling up my water tank. Now the water tank itself, it does have a max line if you want to fill it up all the way. So once you fill up your water, you want to go ahead and attach the water tank back to your steam mop. It is locked into place, so let's go ahead and check it out. All right, so I got my spin mop connected here. I'm going to go ahead and power it on. So I do want to show you here the steam options. Blue is the first one, green is the second one, and red is the third option. You could see it there. I do have it on the highest steam setting. I'm going to go ahead and power on the motor now, so they could start working together, the steam with the mop head. So you can see the steam is coming out, but it is not leaving any water residue behind. It is actually very lightweight, easy to use. You could see the steam is coming out. Now to go ahead and attach the other nozzles, you want to go ahead and just simply remove this. You do get this other handle. Like this. You want to attach this nozzle right here. You are able to hold it now, your steam mop. Now you're able to place any of the other attachments. Now I do want to use this one as a steamer for clothing. So I'm going to go ahead and attach the cloth to the little head, just like this. All right, so I have it in here. We're going to go ahead and turn it on, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to use this to even steam your clothing. So you can see here, I have a shirt right here. It has a few wrinkles, so I'm actually going to use the steam mop. Wow, as you could see, it actually steamed the shirt. It got rid of those wrinkles. It was super easy. Just make sure your water tank is full. Turn it on to the desired steam, and it'll steam through your clothing. The great thing is that you could use these nozzles on different areas. So I did switch out the nozzle. Look at the difference between this side and that side. Absolutely love that it is so versatile. You could use it in many ways to clean many different things along your home. And I also enjoyed that it actually steamed my t-shirt. So that was actually really impressive. If you'd like to check it out for yourself, I'll go ahead and leave the link down below so you can take a look at it. Also, make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.